The top 3 best tire chains of 2023. If you regularly drive in snow and ice, a set of winter tires is a wise investment and suffices for most situations. But for more treacherous cold weather driving, adding chains to winter tires increases the friction coefficient between the tire and the ground, providing an extra layer of traction, especially for turning and inclines. Winter zones like Southern California and low-lying areas of the Pacific Northwest, and only occasionally drive to ski areas or through winter passes. Buying snow tires and the time and expense of swapping them for regular tires isn't worth the cost and hassle. Snow chains are a much cheaper and easier option, and they're required in several western states in certain areas and weather conditions. Of course, tire chains can be a hassle to install, and you can't use them on regular pavement, which means you usually have to install them in cold, wintry conditions. And with chains you can't drive more than about 25 miles per hour. I've been writing about technology and cars for more than 30 years for Wired, Rolling Stone. Number 3. SC1032 Radial Chain Cable. The roads with the radial chain SC1032 cable traction tire snow chain featuring traction coils instead of the traditional steel rollers. The chain will not flatten easily, maintaining its shape. The lightweight and simple construction offer a smooth and quiet ride while giving you better braking and handling performance thanks to the strong steel material. This chain will keep you safe for countless winter months. Year after year, lightweight and durable, these chains will keep your family safe on slick winter roads. Radial chain cable traction grip tire snow passenger car chain set SC1032. Winterize your car with this radial chain for safe driving in snowy and icy road conditions. Requires low operating space around drive tires. Meets us A, Class S. Simple mounting and removal process thanks to its low weight. Improved starting, stopping, and cornering performance. While driving, made of strong, durable steel featuring traction coils instead of traditional steel rollers. Number 2. ZT729 Super ZLT Light Truck. Fastest, easiest installation of any traction product. Ideal solution to prevent vehicle slipping. Greater durability than conventional tire chains or cables. But features larger and tougher components. ZSUV/LT, Z-Chain and Super Z8 are the only light truck traction products to meet Class S clearance requirements for vehicles with limited or low clearance. As the most effective product available for SUVs and pickup trucks with ABS AWD 4x4S and anti-lock brakes, Super Z SUV/LT covers the entire range of light truck tires with only 5 stock numbers. ZSUV/LT offers the same performance features as Z Passenger. ZT700 series is Z Passenger series companion product for sport/utility vehicles and pickups. Its patented design is the same as the Z Passenger series. Meets SA Class S clearance requirements or vehicles with limited clearance. Low potential for damage to vehicle body and mechanical components. Built-in rubber tensioner means there is no need to stop and retighten after installation. Better all-around traction performance than conventional tire chains or cables. Number 1. Peerless 023190 AutoTrack. Worry-free self-tightening ratchets provide automatic tightening and centering, easy installation and removal in minutes. Do not exceed 30 miles per hour with these chains on. Diamond pattern cross chain provides a smoother ride and superior traction. Note change should be fitted to tire before actual use. Fitment can be affected by age of tire manufacturer and or tread type. AutoTrack can be installed without moving the vehicle. The patented ratcheting tightening system automatically tightens the chain while driving. Just connect the inside cable, attach the 2 outside self-tighteners and drive. No additional chain tensioners are necessary or recommended. AutoTrack meets Class S clearance requirements on SUVs and pickup trucks, as well as normal passenger cars, matching the capabilities of most of our Z cable products. This is possible because of a highly effective AutoTrack cross-member links are made of manganese alloy steel, allowing them to be shorter, narrower and lighter than conventional cross-members. For more details, follow the links given in the description. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and like in the videos.